What about a collaboration between human and machine? How do you see the role of humans evolving in open automation and AI systems that become more prevalent?
No, this is a great question because I think there's this big concern, especially when we start talking about artificial intelligence, and we've all seen the sci-fi movies where the robots take over the world and the machines make the mistakes and they decide humans are unnecessary, right? I think that's hopefully lives in the world of science fiction. I don't think that's a reality. I think what we're seeing today is because we have so many digital systems, which I think is good, that gives us data which we can act on, but now this overwhelming amount of information becomes very difficult for a human being to process. Not only that, we don't have the capability in our own minds to be able to look at patterns and to see maybe connections or correlations that a computer can do very quickly. And so I think as we start to think about how do we incorporate artificial intelligence into process control systems, I think we start with the simple things like the large language models and all of the volumes and volumes of user manuals and documentation that you have to go through to understand how to make a simple change in your system. We can use large language models and artificial intelligence to be able to use normal human language to ask questions or to prompt the AI and get a summary of the response that we're looking for without having to go through those reams and reams, or even with a simple search engine, it's difficult to think, okay, I can't remember the keyword that I need to search. So I think that is where we will start, but I don't think that's where we finish. I think that beyond that, we start to look at now some of our high-fidelity simulation and how we can point machine learning algorithms towards those simulators so that we can start to think about optimizing processes.